Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an Etsy jewelry haul. So if you scroll back a few videos ago, I had made a video about my favorite Amazon jewelry. And though Amazon jewelry is great for those who don't have sensitive skin, I have found out that gold-plated jewelry is actually kind of a ripoff, and it also started irritating my skin. So with that being said, I went on this huge rabbit hole of jewelry and what kind of jewelry to buy, because I didn't want to spend a ton of money on buying fine jewelry, especially on more trendy pieces. But I did also want the jewelry to last me a little while and not tarnish right away, as some of these jewelry pieces from Amazon were doing because they were gold plated. So I discovered a video on TikTok about this girl who was talking about buying gold-filled jewelry from Etsy and how it's not that much more expensive than gold-plated, and it lasts so much longer than gold-plated jewelry in general. So that's what I did, and I'm going to show you the two sellers that I purchased jewelry from, and all I can say is I am very, very impressed with the quality and the price. You definitely are paying for what you get when it comes to gold-filled jewelry. There's a chart, I'll try and put it right here, on what the difference is between gold-plated, gold-filled, and solid gold jewelry. Solid gold is more like what you'll find at fine jewelry stores and department store jewelry counters and things like that. And then there's gold-filled, gold-plated. Gold vermil is kind of the same thing as gold-plated, just a little bit, maybe a little bit more dipped, maybe it was triple dipped instead of single dipped, you know what I mean? So that's the best way I can explain it. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. I'll have everything that I bought down below in the comment box so you can go and check it out. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but right here, it's kind of healing already. I had a sort of rash situation that occurred. It started getting really, really itchy, and then it started getting really red, and then it turned really dry, and it's still a little bit dry. But every time I wore this specific necklace from Amazon, it was a herringbone necklace that I bought from Amazon that was gold plated, I would get this little rash, and I'd be like, what the heck is that? So finally, I just decided, you know what, I need to start actually spending a little bit more money on quality pieces versus just the stuff from Amazon. Not that that stuff is bad, it's just it wasn't working for me. So I went on Etsy and I discovered this shop called Amelie Jewelry, and she sells a bunch of gold-filled jewelry. So she sent me everything in this box. I purchased 4 pieces from her. She gave me a little coupon code for next time, but she gave me her card, and then this is how she packaged everything. So I really like the herringbone necklace that I had originally got from Amazon, and I knew that I wanted another one, maybe, but just in a better quality gold. So she put them in this little plastic bag, but I ended up getting this herringbone necklace from her. I don't know what the size is. Let me fix it. They are so cute right now, and I think that they are just the perfect little just everyday necklace. I love them. So I got this one. Okay, so I had to take a little pause because my camera ran out of memory. Okay, so up next, I also purchased another herringbone necklace, but this one is a little bit different because this one is twisted, and this is kind of what got me to buy from this seller in the first place, was the twisted herringbone. I just think it is so cute, and it's a little bit different than just your classic herringbone, and just kind of gives your jewelry a bit of texture, and I think it's really cool. So I got this one, and then I got 2 more things which just came like this. So I originally thought that this was a necklace, but I guess I ordered the bracelet version. I didn't mean to do that, but I do like the bracelet nonetheless. So this is a Cuban chain link bracelet, and this bracelet fits me perfectly. She has different sizes of these, and I got the 6-inch, I believe, and it also comes with an extender, but for me, because my wrists are so small, I don't need the extender. It fits me perfectly. So I love this little bracelet. It was a very good mistake, I guess, because I actually really do love this piece. And then the last thing that I got she put in like this, and this is a paper clip necklace. Again, I had also had one of these from Amazon, but because I wore it so much, it did start to fade, and I wanted something that would last me a little bit longer. And I love to layer the paper clip necklaces with the herringbone necklaces. I think that looks so pretty. So here's kind of what they look like layered together, and that's how I like to wear these necklaces. So this is all that I got from Amelie Jewelry. And now let's move on to the second vendor that I got jewelry from, and that is Mikukumi, I don't know. That is what her Etsy shop is called, and she wrapped them really cutely in these little sort of pouches. So in this first pouch are a pair of hoop earrings. I really wanted a chunky gold hoop earring that was solid gold. I have a ton of gold plated, like these ones are gold plated and they are from TJ Maxx, but I really wanted something that was more like this style, that was a little bit, that was gold filled. And these are the ones that I got, and they're a little bit bigger than the ones that I'm wearing, but they are so cute, and I can't wait to style these, especially with like a low bun and some, I don't know, some casual clothing. So love those. Can't wait to wear those. And in this little pouch, I have two other things which I purchased a little set of bracelets from her. So the first set, she put them on these little pieces of like leather, so cute. This one has sort of like a Cuban, let me take it off, a Cuban style chain, and then it has this little pearl in the middle, and I thought that was such a cute and fun detail. I don't have anything like this. The only thing with this jewelry from this Etsy shop is that it's not as yellow as I would have liked. So let me just tell you what I mean. It's more of a pale gold versus a yellow gold. So as you can see next to the one from Amelie Jewelry, this is more of a yellow gold and this is more of a pale gold. I prefer this over this, but it's still totally fine. I will still wear it. I just wish that the yellow was a little bit more, I mean the gold was a little bit more yellow. But yeah, this is what the first bracelet looks like. And then the second, or the last thing in this haul, and then the other bracelet that I got was this style. I can't remember the name of it, but again, I'll have it linked down below. Here is what it looks like. Super cute. It's kind of like a paperclip style bracelet, and I just really like it. And again, compared to the Amelie one, the gold is much, much lighter. So yeah, that is pretty much the entire haul. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, do not forget to follow me on my social medias. I will always have those linked down below. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.